Good morning, everybody. Very good morning. How are you all? Today is 22nd of February, Saturday, 2025. Before coming to school, did you touch feet of your mother and father? Raise your hands. Today, before coming to school, did you touch feet of your father, mother, grandparents? Yes or no? Raise your hands. Be honest. Be honest. I'll not mind if you forget. I did it. I touched feet of Rainbow Dadaji and Rainbow Dadiji. Did you? Okay. Those who did not do, please remember to do the first task of the day is to touch feet of our holy parents. Grandpa, grandma, maternal, paternal, whosoever elders in your family. Uncle, aunt, mama, mami, whosoever. Okay? Yes. Hurry up, please arrange yourself. Now, today is 22nd and your exams are starting on? Leave 11th and 12th, they have got their different schedules. 11th also starting? Okay. From 1st of March. So how many days are left?
6 days.
6 days left. And the working days are?
4.
Hardly 4 or 5. 4 or 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to ask in any subject if you are facing any problem. So we are meeting for your honest feedback for the problem solving. I know from first to last period we are working very hard, very smart, especially the whole smart work of your teachers with lot of respect. To your mother who wakes you up early in the morning and prepares breakfast for you, to your father who arranges the taxi or comes by himself to drop you. My great regards for your mom, for your dad and for all your mentors. With their blessings, you are going to perform very, very well in the annual examination. Now, I start randomly to ask you certain basic questions. Be honest. Don't think that you should speak this or not. If it is true, you must speak without looking left or right. I want to get the honest information about what is exactly going on in your classroom and especially in totality in our school. Okay. So randomly I will be asking you some questions. My question will be common and your answer will be as per your experiences. In general, tell me, how is overall annual course position? Has it been completed or still due? Completed annual course in all the subjects?
Yes, sir.
Done? Okay. Are weekly or fourth weekly tests, class tests going on? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In all subjects?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next question. Are your problems addressed by the subject teachers like maths, like science, like English, whatever subject, whatever problems you ask or any of your friend asks, are these problems solved and addressed properly? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can raise your hand if you have some issues, honestly. And it is not just you, because you are the leaders. You are representing your whole class, like 40 students. So one student is not standing before me, not my just one daughter, but 20 daughters sitting in the classroom, 20 sons sitting in the classroom. Got the point? Next question. When you ask the questions or some problems or explanation, do your teacher explain well with a smiling face? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any teacher who is having some bad behavior or very hard voice, very rough tone, all are talking in general. Because sometimes even our mom also gets angry with us if we are not obeying. If Papa says you go to market and bring vegetable, and if you are making faces, then Papa is also angry. So moderate amount of anger and frustration is quite humane. There is a proverb in England: spare the rod and spoil the child. छड़ी छोड़े और बच्चे को बिगाड़े, छड़ी पकड़े और बच्चे को सुधारे. It doesn't mean that we believe in corporal punishment. In Rainbow, strictly there is no corporeal punishment. मतलब शारीरिक दंड देना बिल्कुल allowed नहीं है. This I have instructed to all your teachers. What I want to say is that some amount of admonishing, some amount of thrashing, or some amount of scolding is required, because even in family, the small children don't always obey and agree. You know how many of your friends in the class are still using. The greatest problem that I have heard is that kids are stuck with their mobile phones. They take mom's phone or dad's phone and they are watching whatever cartoon or reel or all that. Are you also facing this problem in your classroom? Some friends are there. In Rainbow, the mobile is so not at all allowed. I am asking about their home report. Are there some students who are still completely addicted to mobile phones? हैं कुछ ऐसे बच्चे जो पूरी तरह से मोबाइल के अंदर घुसे पड़े? Mobile addicted? No? If you get some names, please give me confidentially. Give me the names. I will talk to them. I will explain. And if need be, I will call the parents. Okay. Is your notebook of each and every subject checked in time? Now completely checked or not yet? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All subjects notebook checked?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Not yours, but the whole class. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. And one last question. Are all the teachers cooperating with you in managing the class? Like one period ends and the second begins and some students make noise and you write down on the board the name. Obviously it is your duty. Then when the teacher comes, does he or she see and take action or not? Not all the time. Not all the time. Okay, give me names of those teachers who are not taking proper action. Okay, now we are talking about the backbenchers. There are many careless students who simply do not do even CW. So HW is always incomplete and MW, memory work is to koi matlab hi nahi, like that, of no use. There are some backbenchers, very careless kids whose parents are also disturbed because they don't study at home, they don't focus, concentrate in the class. Are you helping them to complete the work? Yes or no? Do you give your notebook or whatever ticking mark or bracketing or counseling, helping? Are you?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me honestly, how many such kids are there in your class individually who are completely careless and still their work is incomplete? How many kids are there? 2, 3. No? No? All 3, 4. 7, 8. 4, 5. So the average comes around 4. 3 to 4. In some classes there are 2. In some classes there might be 5. This is my instruction, my order, and my request also to you. Please help them. If somebody is careless, some of your friends, please help them. Inspire them, motivate them. Last 5 days we have got. We wish to get the best result from them also. And one last thing. I want to respect and honor your parents on this stage or in my office. When you have worked so hard, so smart, they have sacrificed everything for you, even their lives for you. it is your duty to give the Guru Dakshina. You understand? It is your duty to give thanksgiving and return gift to your mom, to your dad, and to all your teachers. Not just class teacher, but every subject teacher. You have to give what best result. If you are fluctuating between 70 and 80, try to reach beyond distinction. If you are fluctuating around 90, try to hit the merit. Personally, you and collectively the whole class level should rise. Are you talking in English with your friend? One last question. Are you talking in English with your friend? Honestly. Honestly. Not all. Not all. It's a matter of habit. Like, मैं भी अभी चाहूँ तो हिंदी में, मारवाड़ी में, उर्दू में आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ. But it is a matter of habit. Once you start, then automatically the old habits will be like, revised and revised. So habit becomes our second nature. Now I want very loud clap for your mother. Wait, I will judge by your clapping how much you love your mother. I will judge by the loudness or softness or coolness of your clapping, how much you respect your father. Louder. Because father is that tree under whom we prosper. Mother is that root by which the tree is standing, and the fruit is you. Root, tree, branches and fruit is you. But who sows the seed in your mind? वो बीज कौन बोता है दिमाग में ज्ञान के? Who is that great personality? Your teacher. Now clap loudly for all your teachers. Thank you very much for giving your time and honest opinion. Wherever you are facing any problem, because you are representing your class, wherever you are facing any problem, come to me personally in the office, talk to principal, talk to director sir, and we will try to solve the issues. Anybody want to say anything at last?
Yes, sir.
All okay? Now we are going for a group photo. Thank you, ma'am. From downside. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, sir and madam. Clap loudly for all these.